Hello guys, my name is Charles Stanley. Welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to check and know how many people who are actually currently viewing your YouTube videos. Okay, the reason for this is to know how many people who are actually viewing your YouTube video, and for you to know this is not a live feed, it's actually currently. Maybe if for some reason you shared your video, or maybe someone is trying to exchange his video for you, and in order to stop the person from cheating, actually for guys that are doing view to view. Okay, so you guys will be wondering how to check this, and not everybody knows how to do this, so I'm going to take time to show you guys how to do this. All right, all you have to do is to go to your YouTube channel. I'm already logged in, so let me just open a fresh YouTube so that you guys will understand it better. Just open youtube.com. Make sure you are logged in into your channel account which you want to check. Now after you've done that, go ahead and click on this little icon here. Once you've clicked on that, wait for it to load. Now you can notice the Creator Studio. Now go ahead and click on that. After you click on Creator Studio, it's going to take some time to load, and then after it loaded, it's going to show you the main Creator Studio homepage, which is actually dashboard. Okay, right now we are currently on your dashboard. You can actually check your statistics and view every other detail, but this is not actually what you want to do. Now where we have to go is into the analytic area. Go ahead and click on that. Now wait for it to load some minutes. Okay, no, so it's kind of slow. All right, after it's loaded, go ahead and click on the real-time view, because actually this is your overtime view. It's going to give you total view of all time. This is the total view of half per hour, per minute. So I think it's 3 days, 9 hours that they viewed my video so far, and this is the average view I have so far, 3 hours 23 minutes. Okay, fine. I mean 3 minutes 23 seconds. Okay, now this is my views, which is actually increasing, and this is not what you want to check. In order to check how many people which are currently viewing your video right now, go ahead and click on real time. Now under real time, you wait for it to load, give it some minutes, and now this is your real time view right here. You can notice so many people are currently viewing this video, which is actually 16, but this is what we are going to be looking at. In 16 minutes, one person is currently viewing this thing within the 16 minutes. Okay, but since we want to confirm how many people which are actually viewing our video, all we have to do is to ask the person his actual location. So once you get the person's actual location, for instance, if it's India, because currently an Indian guy is actually viewing my video, because I just shared in Indian group, so I know that an Indian person is actually viewing my video. So go ahead and click on geography. Once you've done that, it's actually going to give you the detail of all the geography, all the countries which are currently viewing your video, and it's going to show you how many videos they are currently viewing. You can notice that 100 people viewed the video within a period of 24 hours within Philippines, and then within India 100 people also viewed. Okay, 99, it just reduced because time really changed. And then if you also notice right here, this is the one you are going to have to observe. If someone is currently viewing your video, you know how many people which are actually viewing it. Now I have 12 estimated of 60 minutes, means someone is currently viewing this video right now. You can notice that the green icon is actually moving, so this is how you know someone who is actually viewing right now. This person I've already viewed long ago, probably 10 or 20 minutes ago, but maybe 70 or 80 minutes ago, not in the period of 12 minutes. Okay, so you should notice that only in the period of 60 minutes that it's going to come up right here. So anyone that is not coming up, that means the person did not view this video within the period of 60 minutes. So you guys should acknowledge of this. Within the period of 60 minutes, 12 people have viewed my video from India. That means currently someone is definitely viewing the video right now. So, and you can notice that it's going up and down. So since the time range for updates of this is actually on 30 seconds, so probably once the person finishes a particular video, it's going to come up and know that. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, and then you notice the changes. And you can also notice right here that one person is viewing my video from United States, and then total of 8 within a period of 48 hours. So that's actually a thumbs up for me. So you guys should also take some time to watch this and how it affects. But if this thing is not moving and the green is not showing right here, that means no one is viewing that video. And then you can notice the time limit of which the person is viewing it, between 6:45 to 6:8, between 6:45 to 6:46. And you can notice that my time limit is 6:48. So someone actually finished watching a video right now. So that's actually a good news that people are actually viewing the video. So I hope you guys like this, and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, my name is Trustani from TS Tech Talk.